Hi guys, Mr. Tanner here, back in the Latin shed. I hope you're ready to learn a bit of Latin. Welcome to lesson number 9. And today we're going to be learning a bit more about nouns. So, we'll start off with a quick recap as usual. You will hopefully remember now that the subject is the noun doing the action in a sentence. So, caecilius est pater, caecilius is the subject of that sentence. The object of the sentence is the noun that is having something done to it. It's the victim, and that M ending is significant. We can use more technical language than subject and object. We can refer to the nominative and the accusative cases. Cases are essentially different endings on the noun. The nominative case is used for the subject of the sentence, the person who does the action, and it is the normal form that you're used to seeing, so caecilios. The accusative is used for the object of a sentence, the victim of the action, and that's the one that in the singular gains that magic M, so amicum. Caecilius sees the friend. Time for the new thing. The dative case. The dative is translated as to or for. And Latin uses this different ending because using two accusative nouns in one clause could be confusing. So, caecilius donum amico dat, caecilius gives a gift to the friend. If you want a bit of technical language, you can call amico in that sentence the indirect object. Okay, let's see this in action. Time to grab a pen and some paper or whatever your usual means of working is, and let's have a look at this table first of all, because everyone loves a good table. Latin's a lovely, regular language. It has lots of sensible patterns. So, let's look at these. First declension, the first group of nouns, the ones that are usually feminine, words like puella, meaning girl, puella, puellam, puellai, puellai, puellas, puellis. So puellai is the dative singular and puellis is dative plural. Second declension, second group, nouns that end in us, or sometimes nouns that end in like puer. Servus, servum, servo. Servi, servos, servis. So servo in the dative singular and servis in the dative plural. And third declension, that's the everything else. These ones can be masculine or feminine or neuter, and they end in a variety of different things in the nominative, but in the accusative singular, they go to em. So mercator, mercatorem, mercatori, mercatores, mercatores, mercatoribus. For some reason, everyone loves the ibus ending. Things to look out for. The first declension dative singular, ae, looks like the nominative plural. Puellai. The third declension dative singular, e, looks like second declension nominative plural. So mercatori looks like servi. And little robots there with the advice, use word order and sentence sense to help you. The first and second declensions dative plural are the same, is ending, puellis and servis. That should make it easier to spot and easier to remember. Pause the video here, copy down this table. It's something that you're going to want to learn. Okay, here come some practice sentences for you to translate into English. Ancillae cibum quoquo quaerunt, servus pecuniam domino tradit, filius librum patri dat, mercatores togas feminis ostendunt, puer discum novum atletae offerebat. Okay, pause the video again, have a go at translating those into English. Here come your answers. The first one, the slave girls are looking for food for the cook. Quoquo is the dative for the cook. Second one, Servus pecuniam domino tradit. The slave hands over the money to the master. Beware. Trado generally means hand over. You could be tempted to translate it as trade, but the slave isn't swapping money for the master. He's giving the money over to him. Number 3. Filius librum patri dat. The son gives the book to his father. You could say to the father or our father, but seeing as we're talking about a son, it seems likely that it's his father. Number 4. The merchants show the togas to the women. Feminis, so they're plural. If it was one woman, it would be feminae. And number 5, the boy was offering the new discus to the athlete. Again, if he was offering it to lots of athletes, then it would be athletes. I hope you got those right, or at least you understand where you went wrong if you did. So, now we can define the dative case, and we can explain the pattern of noun endings for nominative, accusative, and dative for all 3 declensions. So there you go. I hope that was useful to you. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.